She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Happy 4th of July, and thanks for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So again, today is the 4th of July, and we are going to go ahead and whip up a quick little dessert that you can bring to any occasion, especially a 4th of July party. I'm going to go ahead and make some red and white and blue Starburst cookies. So if this sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. If you can, share this video out. Always appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so here are our 4th of July red, white, and blue starburst cookies. This is definitely a recipe that you want to give a try. These cookies are delicious, especially if you love a good butter shortbread cookie. You won't be disappointed with these. Plus, they give you a very nice patriotic feel with the red, white, and blue star cookies. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this delicious cookie recipe. If you did, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified when I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.